Hey, PowerKids! Have you ever wondered what would happen if you grabbed the biggest shovel in the world and just kept digging and digging all the way down to the center of the earth? Well, buckle up, because today we're going on the most wild underground adventure ever. First stop, the crust. This is the layer we live on. Fun fact, the Earth's outer crust is about 19 miles thick. Sounds a lot, right? But compared to the whole Earth, it's like the skin of an apple. Thin, super thin. The deepest hole humans have ever dug is only about 7.6 miles deep, and it took us 20 years to dig it. So yeah, we're gonna need a magical drill for this adventure. Next up, the Mantle. The Mantle is about 1,800 miles thick. That's almost half as long as the Amazon River. And it's not just sitting still. The movement of the mantle causes tectonic plates to move, which creates mountains, earthquakes, and volcanoes. The temperature here goes from 10 degrees Celsius near the crust all the way to 3700 degrees Celsius near the core. That's insanely hot. We'd be toast. Good thing we have our imaginary heat-proof suit on. Now we're going deeper into the outer core. The outer core is made of liquid metal, mostly iron and nickel, and it's about 1,000 to 100 kilometers thick. And here's the coolest part. The movement of this liquid metal is what creates Earth's magnetic field, the invisible force that makes her compass work and protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. Without it, life on Earth wouldn't exist. Temperatures here reach between 0 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. And finally, we've reached it. The inner core, the very center of our planet. The Earth's core is 4,300 miles across and as hot as the surface of the sun. But wait, if it's that hot, why isn't it liquid? Even though the temperature reaches up to 500 degrees Celsius, the inner core stays solid because of the incredible pressure, about 3 million times greater than what we feel on the surface. The pressure is so strong, it squeezes the metal solid. Scientists also believe the inner core is slowly growing as the Earth cools down. So, could we actually dig to the core? Honestly, no. The deeper you go, the more intense the pressure becomes. The hole would collapse under its own weight. The mantle and core are constantly shifting, making it almost impossible to keep a hole open. And the heat. Our best drills would melt away before they even got close. But that's what makes it so amazing to imagine. So there you have it, PowerKids. From the thin crust we walk on, to the fiery, magnetic core at the center, our planet is one incredible place. If you learned something awesome today, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, where would you dig to if you could go anywhere? See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay powerful. *.